So, we're at the 54th annual Detroit RV and camping show. What do you think, Piper? Wow. So far, we've seen a lot of RVs we like. We're looking, right now we're in the front living room.
Stay here.
Fifth wheel, I guess stay here. Piper's kind of on the loose. Seen a couple new floor plans that we haven't seen before this year. That's pretty cool.
Ooh,
And Piper approves of this one because she likes the living room. There's a nice closet in there. Room, shower.
100-pound air pressure test performed on all gas and water lines midway in the manufacturing process. This ensures that all of the utility lines are installed properly as the unit is being assembled. Hydraulics are the most powerful and reliable
Staircase
systems
going up
in
to the
building.
upper loft, which is pretty
All
cool.
slide rooms
And then down here, you got your own little room.
tested right on the production line.
So,
Each unit is proper. This process also
pretty cool.
within the hydraulic lines. We also water pressure test each
With a half bath. What you doing, Piper? You need a hand? Yeah. Yeah? Mommy gonna help you?
You want mommy to help you? Okay. No. Okay, you can do it yourself then.
Come on.
You can do it yourself.
Good girl. You did fine. Yay!
Go look
Yeah,
at it.
there's
Let's
some
go check it
lights.
out.
And let's see what this closet is. This is exactly what it is. Oh, it's kind of a deep closet.
Want to go for it? You, Piper. Yeah, go for it.
Hmm. Yeah, a lot of beds. Wow, her room's nicer than ours. You said we would like this.
Oh, she found the bear.
We could take one side as a play area and one as
Don't
as
stay
her
in here.
bed.
We're still staying in here.
And then
Oh,
she
this
has an
looks.
own
Look at all this room she has.
entrance, exit.
Yep.
Yeah, so this isn't bad. Ooh, soft too.
Like a corner
Right.
one they put in a room. And there's a sliding door.
Take the paper. It does have
sorry, Piper.
it does have pocket doors for the master bedroom.
Bathroom.
What do you think, Piper? Yeah, it's not bad. What do you think? Okay, if you had your choice between this,
Okay, wait,
And
I
the-
have to see the rest of it, so come here,
Oh,
Piper,
okay.
leave the toilet alone. Okay, come on, see Daddy, go see Daddy.
hey, baby girl. Yeah, what that teddy bear has to stay here. It's part of the trailer.
Oh, this is
You can set it on the bed, on the couch. This is the same material too as the wildwood.
yeah, no.
Can you do it? Want to hold my hand? No? You can do it on your own? You're a big girl? Yeah. Oh, she gets her own half bath.
Ooh.
She gets a half bath in hers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, it slides out. Go, let me see. Piper, you can go in this side. Look at. And Daddy can open it from there.
Whoa. Hey, baby girl. You and your toilets. Don't pinch your fingers. What's your fascination with toilets?
Come on, this way. Daddy's this way.
I'm over here going down the stairs.
Let's go check your room out.
Your room will have its own toilet.
Okay, you get a toilet and a sink. Your own toilet.
She laughs.
Oh, this is a whole door. Wow. So she does get a door still.
So, Piper, does it...
Is this her slide out? This is her slide out button?
That's her light button.
Oh.
They wouldn't put it in here with a kid because it would be too dangerous.
Yeah, but look at this.
Yeah, storage.
Oh, on both sides. Not that bad. Baskets under there.
Yeah. Are you dancing?
Getting helped out.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Yeah, it's a bed.
Stop playing with your sucker. I know you are.
Really?
Why are you putting sucker all over you?
You know, with this one, at least we get the washer dryer prep.
Holy mama. Same setup. This is kind of neat. Look at how check.
So this is a 2020 Coachman Catalina. And I gotta say, they really have stepped up their game. I mean, really nice interior. Kitchen's good. Your fireplace. Master bedroom. Oop. Got out of focus there. Sorry, folks. And then you got this closet that can be A, walk-in, or B, it can be your washer dryer prep, which is pretty cool in a smaller entry-level trailer. I mean, so far there's so many trailers we like. Now we're getting a bit confused, but we've seen 3 that are kind of this floor plan that we're kind of trumping the other ones we like. Definitely bring paper and write stuff down, because you're going to get, if you're looking for certain things, you're going to get confused. And like I've said when I used to sell RVs, if you could take a piece of every RV you see that you like, you can make the ultimate RV. I'll put some more information on this one because I'm actually impressed with it. Here, so I'm going to go inside. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy trails.